Alright, I'm using one of these Pittsburgh mini tire for my tractor tire, and you take the top off and you slide it over, and then you have these fillers if you want to use it, and then I'm going to cinch down the top roller like so. Make sure it's tight so that we can break the bead first. There is no air in here. This is the braid breaker, I should say, and basically you put it in here to the top, and then you try to get this little pit on here to break the bead, okay? Oops, we're gonna move this over a little bit more. Alright, it depends on the thing. So I line it up there. I'm gonna change my pin point to the second hole so that it's right close to that, like so. And then you push down, and then push down, and it should break the bead. There we go. And that bead's broken there. Okay, so now pull out the pin, and then we'll rotate the tire to do the other side as well. Okay, it's a process. And let's put it over here. Okay. So I'm gonna put 2 because I took that other spacer out. Super tight. And most of it's steel and aluminum construction. It's kind of nice. But again, here we go. Put it right here. Hold it and push. Push down on it. Okay, let me change the pivot point to the first one. High on the first one. And let's see if we can get it done. Yeah, okay, there we go. And that's broken. So you can tell on this, there's a lot of, you got pivot points here and pivot, so you can make the angle changes to whatever you need. Now, to get the tire out, you have this bar, okay? And this is the taker-outer part, whatever you want to call it. Hook it. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you hook the tire right there. And then you put it around the side here, around these rubber pieces. You lift, and then you turn, and the tire comes out just like that. Then you get underneath the second part, same way. Bring it up, and then you hold it. Go around, and then the tire comes off like that. Then you have a nice clean rim. And then what you want to do is you want to take a new tire, and you want to lube it. Okay, so I'm going to go lube this one. Okay, I lube the tire with some soap and water, and sometimes the first part. Now the side with the grease hole right here is the inside, so look at your tire and see which side you want it to be on the inside, and I think this side. The first part, you might be able to get it on just by working it without even using the installer tool. If you're really lucky, just a couple scoops and it might go. Usually that's what happens for the first part. The second part, a little bit trickier. So this is where you want to use this part. Hook it around here like that. Get the first part started underneath there, like so. Break it down. Okay, and then run that tool around the tire until it seats in. And there you go. So now we're just gonna go and air up this tire and see what we got, okay? Alright, now we're gonna add some air, and it should fill since we put some soap around the edges, and it should seat the edges. Can you see? It's about to seat. That's it. Look at that. It's seated, and with that tool you can get this job done, literally putting a tire on, in 5 to 10 minutes. And it's really a lifesaver. So if you don't have one and you think you're going to change out a tire, get one of these, a little mini tire machines. It's well worth the money. Alright, take care. Bye now.